On today's episode, we're going to be doing a product review on a submersible utility pump, and it is the Super 4200 Camo Edition by SMARTBOT. So stay tuned. Let's see what's inside the box. These are your little adapters, depending on what size that you're going to be using. I'm going to be using a garden hose, so I'll be using this adapter. And you even got an elbow. Here's the little shorty right here. So this is SMARTBOT's newest pump. This is the Super 4200, and I love the new camo design, what you see here. The weight is around, I'm just guessing, 10 pounds, which is great because if you're going to be submerging this down to the pool, you don't want this, or any, high amounts of water, you don't want this to be floating around. You want it to sink down in place so that it gets to the very bottom and starts pumping that way. Just got done filling this small kiddie pool with water. So now let's go and test out the pump. So what I like about the pump is that they made this long extension cord right here, which is perfect just in case you're going to submerge this onto your pool or any type of long range location. This does help a lot. I want to try this on a 2-inch pipe. So I got this hose from my wet and dry vac. I'm going to use this and see how powerful it is. So I'm going to go and connect this, and I'm going to secure it with some electrical tape. Okay, so this is for the 2-inch. The proper way to do this, you have to submerge this into the water, then you plug it into power. Make sure that the power outlet is a GFCI outlet. So now I'm going to plug this into a GFCI outlet. So even though you hold it up, it's still pumping it, and this is already 2-inch hose. So let's put the elbow. So I actually put the wrong one. Gotta change it out to the garden hose size. Too big. No worries on that. Okay, now let's install the garden hose. That's a pretty strong pump right there. Wow, that's pretty awesome. When you take it out, the pump stops. And it's still dripping right there. So this pump automatically stops when there's no more water. Let's put it back in. There you go. Simple as that. So check this out. SMARTBOT claims that this will continue to run and suck up water up to the 1/16 of an inch of water. So let's lift this up. It's only a 1/16 of water left on that line, and it's still pumping. See that? That's incredible. See that line right there? That's like to the 16th, and it's still pumping. So I gotta give it to SMARTBOT. This is my first time using a utility pump like this, and for a short size pump like this, for putting out that much water and over, up to the 16th of an inch. It's freezing out here, but anyways, I think that this is an amazing product. This Super 4200, I wouldn't promote a product in this channel if I don't believe in it, and definitely this thing is hardcore, man. Super 4200 is their newest one. Check out the link down below. I'll leave a link to their website where you can get one of these. So make sure you comment down below, let me know what you think, and I'll be giving this away to one of my subscribers. Whoever wins, or whoever I pick down below in the comments, you will be receiving this exact same one for you to try out. So make sure you stay tuned with my future product review videos, because I like for you friends to check these products out, because this one is legit. All right, friends, so if you found this video helpful and you've liked this product, check out the description down below. Hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you, friends, on the next episode.